All right, WMC, this is the video to find our 3 winners for the Treasure Chest Mini. This is Mini number 3. So we'll check the time, April 8th at 10:20 a.m. We're going to go over to the Mini and type live. And we have April 8th at 10:20 a.m. There is the list of our 39 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 3 after the final roll all win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jake, Ryan, and Steve. So Jake, you will have first pick. Ryan, you'll have second pick. And Steve, you will have the remaining main spot. There is our verification. Ooh, let's get down to the bottom here. There's our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, April 8th, 10:21 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.